Hello, we're on lesson 76 in our Encore Math books, page 151. Estimate and measure liquid volume. Liquid volume is the amount of liquid in a container. You can measure liquid volume using the metric unit liter, capital L. So you may remember we've done some work with liters. A water bottle holds about a liter. Estimate how much liquid a plastic cup and a fishbowl will hold. Then write the containers in the order from greatest to least. So a plastic cup will kind of look like this, okay? Next to it I have my water bottle. You can see that the water bottle holds a lot more liquid than the cup. Next to it, I didn't have a fishbowl, but I did have a vase. So think of a fishbowl as kind of like the vase with the top cut off, maybe from this part down. So if I take my water bottle, which is about a liter, and I pour it in, you can see all of this area here has no liquid, and even if we were considering our fishbowl to be from my hand down, you can see almost half of it is empty. So if we were to put them in order from least to great, we would have our plastic cup, our water bottle, and our fishbowl. So the plastic cup holds less than a liter, a water bottle holds about 1 liter, and a fishbowl holds more than 1 liter. Think plastic cup is smaller than the water bottle, and the fishbowl is larger than the water bottle. So the order of the containers from greatest to least in liquid volume is, so now if we're going greatest, we're doing fishbowl, water bottle, plastic cup. So some of these pictures here, this may be a little bit tricky because there are different sizes for different things. So you may disagree with some of my answers, and I would love to hear from you if you thought maybe a different answer, because I feel like some of this, depending on the size of the certain things, could have more than one answer. A wading pool is filled with water. Is the amount more than 1 liter, about 1 liter, or less than 1 liter? So a wading pool would be one of those little kiddie pools maybe you have outside or you've seen. If I took my water bottle and I tried to fill it up, would that even help a little bit? Not really, no. So would it be more than 1 liter, about 1 liter, or less than 1 liter? So here again is our liter, and we know that it would be more than 1 liter. When you write liter, you write it as a capital L. Estimate how much liquid volume there will be when the container is filled. Write more than a liter, about 1 liter, or less than a liter. So here we have a vase, a mug, and a bathtub. So there are many different sizes to vases. So we could have more than one answers for the vase. There are small ones, there are medium-sized ones, there are large ones. So for today's purpose, let's use my vase, okay? You just saw me pour 1 liter into my vase, and it's not even halfway filled. So therefore, using my vase, I'm going to say that this is more than 1 liter. Now, a mug. Again, there are big mugs, there are small mugs, wide mouth mugs, but thinking about a mug that we would typically use if I were to pour a water bottle into that, it would overflow certain mugs, probably fill other mugs. So for this answer, I would accept either about 1 liter or less than 1 liter. So I'm going to say less than 1 liter because I feel like if I poured this into a mug, it would overflow a little bit. And a bathtub. This one only has one answer. If I were to pour the water bottle in there, it really wouldn't make a difference. So we would say more than 1 liter. Okay? Estimate how much liquid volume there would be when the container is filled. Write more than 1 liter, about 1 liter, or less than 1 liter. So here I have a gallon of milk, a large milk container. That would be more than 1 liter. Now over here I have a small milk container. If you look really close here, it says 1 pint. Okay, so I know a pint is less than a liter, but I didn't know how much less. So before I went on, I found out that 1 liter is equal to over 2 pints. Okay, so because it's a small milk container, we're going to say that it's less than 1 liter. Over here, we have a water bottle, which is we've been using every single time to gauge our 1 liter. Here's our water bottle. So this is where we would say it's about 1 liter. I'm gonna let you fill in for a teaspoon or a spoonful of water, a bathtub filled halfway, so they don't want you going all the way to the top, and a filled eyedropper. So you may not recognize an eyedropper, but something you could think about is if you ever take liquid medicine and mom and dad put it in that syringe where it squirts into your mouth, it's kind of about the same size as that. An eyedropper, I would say, would be about the size of a crayon. So just keep that in mind when you're thinking. Use the pictures 7 through 8. Alan poured water into 4 glasses that are the same size. So we have A, B, C, D. The glasses are the same size, but you can see the liquid inside are all different amounts. I'm going to have you answer 7, which glass has the most amount of water, and 8, which glass has the least amount of water. I think you can fill that in without any more ado. I will put up a Google Doc, or you can have mom or dad email me pictures.